What manner of journalism is this where you call out a prime minister in waiting and a man who intends to be finance minister for speaking for hours between them, for 3 and 2, 5 hours cumulatively they spoke for. And between the two of them, no budget. How dare you call that out? How dare you highlight that? How dare you decry that standard? That's what many people are saying this morning as they hear me speak. The question is, that makes sense to you? Huh? So you had, people were laughing as Favour Williams was going through her speech. I was embarrassed because I said, but look how did Mark and Julian put themselves in this position? I gave them credit for research and for taking time to put the budget presentation together. So, but it doesn't appear as if time was spent doing it. It was like a hurry up thing, like, and then as Clifford Ricardo said last evening, the kicker of a statement was that when Mark rose on a point of order to say that we didn't say that our budget presentation was about the next fiscal year. It's about the PNP's plans for the duration of our next time in government. What rubbish. What rubbish. So, if the budget debate was intended to show that the PNP is ready, then there are more than question marks about their readiness. There is nothing to suggest that they have something ready to pop in the oven ready for the Jamaican people. And it is unacceptable, and I take no pleasure in saying this about the opposition party in my country, that after so long, they seem ill prepared to play the roles that they have fought so long and so hard to put themselves in a position to play.